With the Jetboil Flash camping stove from Anaconda, you'll be set up and ready to cook in a matter of seconds. The first step is to remove all the components from inside the stove so they're ready to be assembled. Here we have the cook pot, the stove unit, the bottom cup and lid, the fuel canister and the stabilizer. Make sure the fuel is turned off on the stove and double check the igniter is working by clicking the button and looking for a spark. Unfold the stabilizer and snap the fuel canister into place. You'll notice there's a couple of different mounting points depending on which size of fuel canister you're using. Next, screw the burner in place on top of the fuel canister. You should hear a bit of a gas hiss, which is normal, but make sure you keep screwing past that point to get it nice and tight. Next, add your food or drink to the cook pot. It's important to do this first before you light the stove or attach the cook pot. Once you're ready to start cooking, open up the valve and hit the igniter to fire up the stove. Turn the flame down a bit and attach the cook pot by lining up the 2 notches at the bottom, then twisting it to lock into place. Then just place the lid on top to speed up the cooking process, adjust the flame to the required level, and you're cooking. And that's how simple it is to set up and use the Jetboil Flash camping stove from Anaconda.